All right, let's do an update. Update is I am a genius. Yep, I'm a genius. Made light work out of hanging these windows. Now I can't open them. Now I can't open them. Are they locked? No. There we go. Beautiful window number one. Beautiful window number two. It's locked. I like keeping them locked. It keeps them nice and square. Okay. Let's go see it from the outside. Talk about the best weather ever. Next weekend's Columbus Day. I don't know if the leaves could get much better. I guess they're... I mean, there's more color to change, but we got a lot of the colors there already. All right, there goes that one. And this one I finished today. I got two more. One's going to go right there for the master bedroom. Nice big window there. Nothing's going to be, nothing there. Actually, it would let some nice light in, but the door does enough light. Get off my head. I don't know. Maybe there'll be a high little... I'll put a high little one over there. Little hallway one. Then another big one's going right here. These will stay existing. I'll get some new panel glasses for those. Yeah, those are going to stay. I like those little crank out bathroom windows. Those will be nice. Then in the front, that window's going to just be gone completely. Is that going to be gone completely? Maybe I could put a high. Nah. Over here, one big kitchen window. 30 by 30, I think, is the size I want to use. Or 36 by... Probably 30 by 30. 30 by 30. Over here, one high one and one high one. Right next to each other, like 1, 2. Like I did over at the other cabin. They're like, I don't know, 36 inches long and 18 inches tall. And over here, nothing. Okay, let's clean up.